Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a shared calendar in Google. So a shared calendar is very helpful if you're working in a team, planning events, or just need to stay organized with others. So let's jump right in. As you can see, I'm already in my Google Calendar. On the left hand side, you will notice my calendar and there's other calendar. Now you have to just click this little plus button next to this other calendar. Then you have to click create new, and here you can give your calendar a name. You can also add a description. You can set a time zone as well, and if you want you can also assign to this to a owner. Now once you have given the name, let's say it is group. Okay, now I'm going to click on create calendar. It will take a couple of seconds to set up, so let's wait. Now you see the group successfully has created and it will show right in here. Now you have to click on group and scroll down and select share with. Now here you can add people that you want to mention. Let's say I want to mention these two people, and even if you want you can add as many email number as you want. Let's say I want to add another one. Okay, I'm going to keep it as it is. So here you can give permission, like you can see only, free or busy. You can also change it, like make changes to events or whatever you want. I'm going to keep it as it is and then select send. Now if you scroll down, there are other options as well. If you want, go ahead and click it. Okay. Now, what if you have just create a wrong calendar name? Now just scroll down and click on delete this one. This calendar will be permanently erased and nobody able to use it anymore. So if you have sent the email to the wrong person, then you can just totally delete it and the other person cannot even like link this. And now if you want, you can also make it available to public, or you can also give them a shareable link you want. And now let's go. Let's say you want to create an event inside this calendar. You can do this by simply create or double clicking on a date. Let's say I want something on this 14 August. I'm going to let's go for 29 August. I want to create something on this, so I'm going to double click this like here, and you can say you can give a title to it. You can select a notification and make sure you choose the group calendar instead of your personal one. Then you can change the visibility. You can also set busy or free as well, change the color as you want, and even if you want you can find a timer. Let's say you want the meeting to be from 8 to 9. So this has been selected. Even if you want, you can change the time zone here, and you can also add guests if you want. And if you scroll down, you can descriptions, and you can also add notifications to them. And if you want this to be held in Google Drive, just give this link, just add this link, and here you can see that up to 100 guests can be joined this Google Meet. And now once everything is done, you have given the title, let's say group title, then just click save. And here you can see your event has been created successfully, and that's it. Now you have a fully working shared Google Calendar, and anyone you have invited can see the event, add new ones, and also collaborate depending on the permission you give them. So that's how you create and use a shared calendar in Google Calendar. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.